Welcome to Bodhi Learning Hub. Do you know how far a ballistic missile can travel? The thought is intriguing, isn't it? Ballistic missiles are more than just rockets shooting across the sky. They are strategic weapons systems, rocket-propelled and self-guided, designed with precision and purpose. Their range, the maximum distance they can cover, is a crucial aspect that defines their classification. It's fascinating, and understanding these classifications can give us a deeper insight into the complex world of military technology. So let's dive into the world of ballistic missiles and learn about the 4 general classifications based on their range. When we talk about ballistic missiles, we categorize them based on how far they can travel. These rocket-propelled, self-guided strategic weapons systems follow a ballistic trajectory to deliver a payload from their launch site to a predetermined target. They're like the postman of the military world, only instead of letters, they deliver explosives, and sometimes even chemical, biological, or nuclear munitions. Now, onto the classifications. First off, we have short-range ballistic missiles, also known as tactical ballistic missiles. These guys can travel less than 1,000 kilometers. They're the sprinters of the missile world, quick and to the point. Next up, we've got medium-range ballistic missiles. These are also known as theater ballistic missiles. They can travel between 1,000 and 3,000 kilometers. They're the middle-distance runners, covering more ground than their short-range counterparts. Moving on, let's talk about intermediate-range ballistic missiles. These travel between 3,000 and 5,500 kilometers. They're the marathon runners, going the distance and then some. Finally, we have the long-range ballistic missiles, also known as intercontinental or strategic ballistic missiles. These are the ultramarathoners, able to travel more than 5,500 kilometers. They're in it for the long haul, capable of reaching almost any point on the globe. Remember, all these missiles can be launched from various platforms, be it aircraft, ships, submarines, land-based silos, or mobile platforms. The type of missile chosen depends on the range of the target and the type of payload it carries. In essence, the range of a ballistic missile determines its classification and plays a major role in its strategic use. Now that we've learned about the classifications of ballistic missiles, let's summarize our findings. Ballistic missiles are rocket-propelled, self-guided strategic weapons. After their initial powered launch, they follow an unpowered trajectory, arcing upwards before descending to their intended target. Their payload can vary, carrying everything from conventional high explosives to chemical, biological, or even nuclear munitions. They can be launched from a variety of platforms, including aircraft, ships, submarines, and land-based silos. Remember, there are 4 classifications of these missiles based on their range. Short-range or tactical ones travel less than 1,000 kilometers. Medium-range or theater missiles cover between 1,000 and 3,000 kilometers. Intermediate-range missiles can reach between 3 and 5,500 kilometers. And long-range or intercontinental missiles can travel more than 5,500 kilometers. These classifications are important as they help us understand the strategic implications of these weapons. From a military perspective, understanding these classifications is crucial for planning and defense strategies. For those interested in global security, it provides insight into the capabilities of different nations and potential threats. Understanding ballistic missiles gives us a glimpse into the complex world of modern warfare. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we know, the better we can understand the world around us.